Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial where I show you how to redeem codes in Zenless Zone Zero. So if you want to do it in-game, go ahead and launch the game, and in the upper left-hand corner where you normally go to all of your settings, tap that little icon there, and it'll take you to all of the options here, and you want to select the one that says More with the dots there in the corner. Hit More, and then you're going to see an option that says Redemption Code. Tap on Redemption Code there in the bottom row. And then go ahead and type in the code that you found online or want to use, and then go ahead and tap Done and go to Redeem there. And then it should, in a few seconds, say Successfully Redeemed. Please claim the rewards from in-game. So you'll actually have to go out of that option there and then tap into the More section once more and go to the Mail option here, and you should see all of the rewards that you just redeemed from that code. And then just go to Claim All, so you'll get all of the rewards there. Tap Confirm, and then you can delete red mail there so you don't have any outstanding mail. Now, if you want to do it directly from the Zenless Hoyoverse redemption page, I'm going to have the URL on the screen right now for you to copy. I'll also have it in the description for you to copy and paste. This makes it very easy. You go to zenless.hoyoverse.com/redemption. It'll take you to the redemption code page for Zenless. And then go ahead and type in or copy and paste the redemption code and click Redeem. And when you do that, you should see a confirmation of a successful redemption. Go to your in-game mailbox and you'll be able to pick all of your rewards up there. That's how you do it on both the app itself on any device as well as the direct Hoyoverse Zenless redemption page. Have any questions? Put those down below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.